you definitely watch NASCAR. Rest in peace, Bush. Phil, you definitely got aspirations of being an Elks Lodge member, and I can't blame you. Garrett, boy, you definitely drive a lifted truck and have a "Don't Print on Me" sticker. Randy, boy, every Randy I met either welds pipeline or gets kicked out of small town bars. Nate, you look a little zesty, boy. I don't know what's going on here. Sean, you definitely love fly fishing, and you slay the trout. Shane, you definitely the funniest dude in your friend group, without a doubt. Matt, you definitely got some weird interests, like fortune telling or psychedelics or something. Dale, boy, you came out the womb smelling like diesel fuel in Copenhagen. Mike, you definitely snagged PB bass and then lie about it. Princeton, I guarantee you have a country club membership at the nicest course in the city. Lemaire? What kind of name is Lemaire? You know what? I love it. Wade, oh, this boy talks about high school football like it's the daggone NFL. Keith, you definitely got opinions on live scoping in tournaments that nobody asked for. Corey, you definitely wear wraparound sunglasses while driving at night. Harry, you just seem like you'd wear white New Balances, love cutting the grass, and love grilling. Scooter, oh, there's definitely something wrong with you. Did you by chance attend special classes in school?